Welcome to today's technical drawing class. Today we want to draw an isometric drawing of this block as it is also shown on the screen. This is the section part of the block and this is in another video, so watch out for that. But for today we'll be looking at the isometric drawing of this block. When starting an isometric drawing, we'll draw our base horizontal line of any length, then pick any point on the line, and then using our set square, our 30-60 degree set square, here is 30, here is 60, we will draw two lines at 30 degrees to this horizontal line. Hmm. As you can see, the distance from here to here is 80 and the distance from here to here is 100. There is a line that comes up from this point upwards, and here, here, and here. The length of that line is 10 millimeters. Then I would measure 10 millimeters on these lines. So that I'll join the lines together. From here, I'll use my set square to draw a line inwards. And from here, I'll draw another line inwards till the two of them meet at a point. The next thing to draw is this curve. Yeah, this circular curve or this curve, whatever you call it. The the diameter of the circle is 70 millimeters. The diameter of the circle is 70 millimeters. This means that the length of each side of the square we are going to, or rhombus we are going to draw, will be 70 millimeters. The circle is located at the middle of this large rectangle here. So find the middle, and from there we draw our rhombus or square. The middle on this line is 5. Now we'll join these points together. So this is the midpoint of this rectangle here. Okay. The diameter of the circle is 70 millimeters. Hence, the radius is 35 millimeters. So from the middle, we're going to draw 35 millimeters here, here, here. Yeah, we're going to measure it. Using our set square, we're going to draw lines that will pass through here, 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 and here. So this would form the rhombus. Okay. So this is the rhombus. So from this place here that looks like it has the largest angle, we'll draw a line going from here to this point here and from here to this point here. And from this point, or from the opposite side, we'll draw a line that goes from here to this point here and from here to this point here. So to form the arc, we'll put our compass here and draw this place here complete. We'll draw here, but we'll not complete it. We'll draw here, but we'll not complete it. From this point here, the middle, which is also here, would would go upwards a distance of 50 millimeters. It's because since here to here is 60 and here to here is 10, 60 minus 10 would give 50. So to go draw up 50 millimeters, we'll draw a vertical line and we'll mark 50 millimeters on it. From there, we'll use that point to form the midpoint to draw the new circle at the top, at the up. Okay. We'll measure 50 millimeters on this line. Yes. Okay. And from this point, we're going to draw two lines at 30 degrees again to this horizontal. We're going to use our set square to draw two lines. repeat the same process we did here. We'll measure 3.5 centimeter or 35 millimeters, from here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here. Then we'll draw the rhombus that we use to get our circle. Okay, we've gotten the rhombus now. Okay. Okay, so this here is the rhombus outlined. So from this point here that looks like it has the largest angle, we'll draw a line from here to here and from here to here. And on the opposite end, we'll draw a line from here to here and from here to here. Okay. Now in this one, we're going to use our compass and we'll draw the full thing out. So from this point, we'll draw an arc from here to here. From this point, we'll draw an arc from here to here. From this point, we'll draw an arc from here to here. And from this point, we'll draw an arc from here to here. Okay. The next we'll do is to get these blocks here. Okay. We first start from the middle. The width of this block or the height of this block, the width of this block is 10 millimeters. So from this point here on the circle, we're going to measure 10 millimeters spread out. It's going to be like 5 millimeters here, 5 millimeters on the other side. Okay. Then we use our set square to draw two lines forward. Okay. The distance from here to here is the distance from here to here. To get the distance from here to here, it is 100 minus 70, because 70 is the diameter of the circle, which is the distance from here to here. So 100 minus 70 gives us 30. 30 divided by 2, because the 30 is shared by these two parts. So 30 divided by 2 is 15. We'll measure 15 on this line, and then we'll draw it down. And join the 2 points together, then we'll draw it down. Okay. We've gotten it. When we drew it down, we'll join it from here to here. So which means this arc here is no longer needed. For this side, we'll do the same thing. From here, we'll mark, from this point here, we'll mark 10 millimeters. That's 5 this way and 5 this way. Okay. Next, using our set square, we'll draw two lines that go like this. As you would remember, the distance from here to here is 15. Next, we'll join these two together, and then we'll draw this line down. It's a bit off. From this point, we'll use our ruler and we'll draw this down. Okay. Now, we need to get this line here. So we'll use our ruler and just draw a line from this point down to the last circle. Okay. And then, using our set square, we'll draw this line inwards. Okay. The last thing to do is to draw the square hole inside. They said it's 40 by 40 millimeters. That shouldn't be hard. 40 by 40, which means 20 up, 20 down, 20 here, 20 here. Next, we'll use our set square to draw a line that crosses through all these points, and then that would help us form the square hole. Okay. Okay. Then draw the line inside. From this corner downwards. Next, I would make bold all the lines, all the actual lines in the drawing. So the next you do is to dimension the work the way you see it here. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you.